These 4 things can make it very difficult for you to get your naturalization, your citizenship application approved. I am Zlata Berman, an immigration attorney with over 20 years of experience, and I'm going to go over the 4 things that can hurt you when applying for naturalization. Pay attention to number 4 because it's a tricky one. Number 1, not paying your taxes. You have to show that you're a person of good moral character, and so USCIS will often ask you to submit 3 years or 5 years worth of taxes depending on the type of naturalization application you're filing for. Number 2, not paying child support. If you have a child who does not live with you, you have to show that you either have a child support order that you're complying with, or if you just have an arrangement with the mother or the father of your child, it's always good to get a letter from them explaining that you don't have an official child support agreement, but that you are supporting the child who does not live with you, who is not in your custody. Number 3, any kind of a criminal arrest. You do have to bring the certified dispositions of any arrest, even the ones that were dismissed, to your interview. So if you have any arrests at all, ever had to see a judge, it's best to speak with an attorney to see if you qualify to apply for naturalization before applying. And the 4th thing that can get your naturalization application denied is if you have been out of the country for more than 6 months at a time. During COVID, this was happening a lot. People would leave and then were not able to return because the airports were closed. And unfortunately, immigration, even though everyone is very much aware of that, immigration is still holding you to that 6 months rule. And so if you have been out of the country for more than 6 months, like one trip that lasted more than 6 months, you may have to show that you did not abandon your residence in the United States, but just could not come back. Or if there were any other reasons that you could not come back, you have to demonstrate that you did not intend to abandon your residence in the US to live abroad.